vehicle? Check out the 2018 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, backup monitor, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.